Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to refund games on Steam in 2025. To do it, click on Help in Steam, then select Steam Support. Now it'll get you here. You need to click on Purchases, then select the purchase you want to refund. Now click on I would like a refund, then click on I'd like to request a refund, and now you can select an issue, and then submit the request. You can also add some notes. And now it has been requested. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.